Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Colourpop mystery box unboxing and possibly a mini giveaway. I have not decided anything at the start of this video. So, I'm going to start this off by saying, hey, when this goes up, it's going to be my 30th birthday. Yes, I feel old, very old, but it is what it is. You can check my last video that I uploaded, which is like a life update, tells you where I've been, what's been happening. I almost cry. It's all good. But yeah, I am honestly filming this video right after that life update video, so let's just jump right into it. I did not need to buy any of this stuff, first of all. I did not. And to be honest, I did open them when I got them, but I don't actually remember anything that I got. I know I do remember that I got a couple duplicates, which would be what I throw in the giveaway. I'm going to start with the smallest box. There's 3 sizes, a small, a medium, and a large. I don't remember what they were called because they had different names, but I'm going to start with the smallest and work our way to the largest. So the small one only had a couple items, and I don't remember the pricing for anything. And off the top of my head, I don't remember if Colourpop ever did a mystery box. I ended up jumping right onto it. So first up is a lip oil. This is in the shade Gen Zen. And some of these may be from their collections, but Colourpop does so many collections, I just don't even know. It's a pretty pink shade. I've never tried their lip oils, so it'd be nice to try that. And then a Jelly Much Shadow in She Grown. Now, I'll probably include this in the giveaway, so I'm not going to open it, but it looks like it's a pink shade. I've never been that much of a fan of the Jelly Much shadows, so I will probably put any of those I get in the giveaway. And then there's a ultra glossy lip, which I do like their glosses. I'm wearing one now. It's the Colourpop Raw Beauty Christy Glacier one. Super pretty. This one is Irreplaceable, which is like a beigey whatever, shimmery. I'm really bad at descriptions. My apologies. I think this is one of their new mascaras. It's the Act Natural Defining Mascara, which I will definitely keep. I go through mascaras, obviously, pretty frequently. Got a Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil in the shade Sangria, which really pretty, but I am pasty white. This will probably just go in the giveaway. I mean, it might sheer out, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about shimmery oils. And I got a pressed glitter. This is in the shade High, H-A-I. Really pretty. And the last thing in the small box is the Animal Crossing's purple palette, La Belle of the Ball. I never played Animal Crossing, so I don't know anything about it, but it's actually really cute. Little purple palette. Super cute. But yeah, that completes the first box. Moving on to the medium box now. So obviously, a little bit more in here. I have another Act Natural Defining Mascara, so I'm going to pop this for the giveaway. All details for the giveaway will be at the end, mainly because I haven't decided anything. I have a pressed shadow in the shade Hop On, which is just a nice, like, orangey, like a ready orange. And I have a Super Shock Cheek in the shade Brute Flute. I don't think I've ever actually tried any of these blushes like this from Colourpop. It looks like it'd be super dark, but I'm gonna give it a try. Just test out the formula. Maybe I can make the color work. Then this is a Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ripple. It's a purple. I am going to throw this in the giveaway also just because I don't reach for my Colourpop Super Shock shadows anymore. And I have a ton of purple stuff anyway. And I got a liner. This is from the Cherry line, I guess. It's the shade Cherry Pie. Obviously, it's a red. I love red liner. I love popping it in my waterline, but it is just a red. just a nice red. I definitely always love reds. Then I have a So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Princess Cut, which is just clear. I'll give this one a try because I haven't tried these yet. And I have a lippy stick in Who Run This. It's a Matte X formula, and it is a like brownie shade. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but I think I might have gotten a double of that. And this is a lippy pencil in the shade Ashton, which is just a like a brownie shade, which would be nice for fall. And I got a brush from Colourpop. I actually have like the really old brushes from Colourpop, like the first brushes they ever launched. But this one's cute. It's the F24 little flat brush. Probably use this for setting powder. But yeah, always excited about new brushes. I finally have all my brushes cleaned in the back there. Then we got another Animal Crossings palette. This is What a Hoot. It's the orange brown one. Again, never played Animal Crossings. I know nothing about them. But this looks like it could be a really good like everyday like quick eyeshadow palette. I really love these types of like fudgy browns. And I'm not too mad about the other shades. Got another shimmering body oil from, or shimmering dry oil from Soul, which is their sister brand. I will probably keep this one because it is so light and it's just like glittery like gold. So this would obviously pair better with my pale skin. And then the last thing in the medium box is the chamomile face milk. Never tried anything from Fourth Ray Beauty, so excited to give it a try. I'm always looking for more skincare stuff. Alright, and last up is the biggest box, which is obviously the largest option that they had. And right off the bat, I have 2 more mascaras. So, not exactly happy that I got 4 total, but that's what I get for ordering 3 mystery boxes. So I'll probably keep 2 and give away 2. And I got 2 pressed shadows. So I have the Get Kraken shade. Let me know. There you go. Looks like that. And then this one is Top Notch. Both really pretty. I think the single shadows that I got can all pair very well together. I got another ultra glossy lip. This is in the shade Here's to You. It's just a nice pinky shade. I've really been into glosses lately, even though I honestly don't wear lipsticks that much. But lately, I've been gravitating towards glosses. And I have a creme gel liner in Electric Daisy. This is a lime green one, if I remember correctly, and I actually own this. So it just looks like that, and I will add that to the giveaway. I don't need a repeat liner. Same with this. This is the lippy stick in the shade Trust Me. It's a Matte X formula. I've had this before. Really pretty, like true red, but I've had it. Don't need it. Probably still have it in my drawer somewhere. There's also the Ultra Blotted Lip. This is in the shade Vitamin C. Never tried their blotted lips before, but it looks like that. Excited to try that. Don't know if the color's gonna be good for me, but you never know. And another repeat. This is the lippy sticks in the shade Who Run This. I'm gonna add this into the giveaway. And then there's a lippy pencil from whatever this line was called Field Day, and it looks like it's another brownie shade. Much warmer. I decided to cut grass today, of all days, so I apologize if you can hear that. But I got another lippy pencil in the shade So Happy, which is another brownie shade. A little bit lighter, but still excited to have more lip liners. And then there's a liquid liner in the shade Honey Girl, which I've used the liquid liners before. The white one, Graceland, kind of sucks, but the other one's not bad. This is like a nudie shade. I know, can the camera pick that up? It's right there. And I got a Super Shock cheek highlighter. It's in Lunch Money. This is one that's been like super raved about, and I've never owned it. I have Flexitarian, which I absolutely love, but never tried Lunch Money. Really pretty. Hopefully, I don't even think that's going to pick up, but hopefully it doesn't pull too dark on my face. So now there is a cream gel color, which I actually really like these, and I don't actually have a shade like this, which is like a pastel pink. It's in the shade Dimples, which is a cute name, and I'm definitely going to keep that because I love doing winged looks, obviously. I have a wing going on. And then I have a cream shadow in the shade Bronco, which I believe is like just a base. I don't know. I'll give it a try. Have not tried, like I said, a lot of this I have not tried. And here is another Jelly Much eyeshadow. It's in the shade Mystical, which just looks like a glittery pinky gold. So I'm going to throw this in the giveaway also. Oh, and look at that. A repeat palette. This is the Wada Hoot palette. I'm going to put this in the giveaway also. I have another Animal Crossings palette. This is Nuke Ink. Nuke? Whatever. It's the blue one. Bluey green. Which I really like this color story. This is something that I would definitely wear. And I have 4 items from Fourth Ray Beauty. This is the coconut body milk, which packaging super cute, like a milk carton. I will give it a try just because I've never tried that. And then I have 2 more face milks, the strawberry and papaya, and then the matcha. I hope this doesn't smell like matcha because I don't really like it. And then this is the Turmeric Brightening Serum Boost, which I've heard good things about turmeric, so I'm excited to try these to incorporate them in my skincare routine. And the last item in the box is the Soul Shimmering Dry Oil in the shade Peach Bellini, which doesn't look like it would be too dark on me, but again, I'm pale. I don't need anything darker than white, so I'm gonna add this into the giveaway. Well, I got a nice little box of stuff. I have one more thing to add to that, but before I talk about that, those were the mystery boxes. Did I need to buy all 3 of these? No. Am I glad that I did? Yeah. I honestly haven't been buying too much makeup. Haven't been wearing that much makeup either. So this was a nice, start back into makeup and all that. So yeah, let's talk about the giveaway. So to recap, the giveaway will include 2 of the Shimmering Dry Oils, 2 of the Act Natural Mascaras, the Who Run This Lippy Sticks, the Electric Daisy Liner, the Trust Me Lippy Sticks, 2 Jelly Much Shadows in Mystical and She Grown, a Super Shock Shadow in Ripple, and an Animal Crossings Wada Hoot palette. One other thing that I'm going to be including is the Urban Decay Stone palette. This is brand new, never opened. What happened was Urban Decay had a mystery box a couple months ago and I ordered it, and I already bought this when I went to Ulta, and then I got a repeat of this, and it's just been sitting there unused and open, so I figured why not, good time to give it away. So those are the items that one lucky person will be winning. Unfortunately, due to my life and how things are, it is going to be US only. It is going to be open for, let's say, 2 weeks. So September 14th, I will choose a winner and contact the winner. I won't have you enter like a link or anything because I don't even know if that's still a thing anymore. But if you want to enter, just let's see, you can leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing about fall is, because fall, we're getting into fall. And also include your Instagram handle because I will DM you on Instagram. Yeah, I think that's it. All the rules and everything will be listed down below, but obviously this is just a small thing that I'm doing. So I think that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it, give it a thumbs up if you have not already. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, wherever. I don't post as much as I used to, but I'm getting back into it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye!